Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to make a video on computer this time. But this time it won't have audio, it won't have audio and games. So that's a disappointment, but we can still play and enjoy a gameplay. Yeah, enjoy a gameplay. So I was thinking, what can we play today? And I just got a plan to do how to figure it out. Where the mouse things. Alright, okay. I will close my eyes and choose a random game. Let's go. And click. Okay, bamboo is first. Now let's go for a second. Oh, nothing. Let's try again. And click. Mad City. Ooh, okay, one more. Okay, one more. Okay, and click. Tycoon. Tycoon. Theme Park Tycoon. So, I had some questions today about these games. One, what is the best game in the whole entire history? Versus Jailbreak versus Mad City versus hold on, what was that game? Theme Park Tycoon 2. Wait, yeah, 2. So let's start with Jailbreak. These are free lucky games. So let's play. I will put some background music for you. I'm just kidding, no background. Yeah, background music. Let me just find something. Go on YouTube for my special videos. First, we gotta choose prisoner, of course. Holy cow! Why is there so many people? Do I put currency cash? Alright, we got money. Alright. Songs. I'm just gonna spell songs. Songs. Okay, there. I'm gonna go for my mix because yeah. There. Alright, there we go. Happy. Yeah, there. Happy. Alright, let's go. This is just baldy basics. And put your baldy hairs. Think with baldy trash. I think it's trash too, but it's funny at the same time. So yeah, I never played it, but I watched videos of it and it was pretty funny. Okay, thank you, woman. Go over here. Oh my! You just gonna shoot me like that? You know that was a dumb idea. Wait, you don't have to. You didn't have to kill me, you know. Well, good because I just got extra time. It takes a long time. Alright, let's go. Burst through the door! Alright, let's go. Oh, it's your fault, woman. It's only 2 prisoners that are super wedge. Oh my gosh, there's so many prisoners. There's so many. Why is there so many? Hey, guess what, guys? These guys are just escaping for no reason. Just, you didn't have to go that way. Wait. What? No! I'm just gonna reset. Boy. How did not that guy get arrested by a woman? But okay, that's okay. Do this. Okay. Burst. Alright, let's go. I can just escape the old-fashioned way where nobody uses it anymore, which is probably removed. Oh my gosh, people these days. Alright, I'm just gonna go this way. Holy cow! Okay, distraction. Thank you. Oh, hey man, I'm just gonna go over here. Hey, try and arrest me. Try and arrest me. Yeah, that's what up. I'm gonna say, boy, boy, boy. Okay, this guy is trying to arrest me. I'm gonna go. He just put, boy, boy. Oh my gosh, this is new. Alright, me too. Yeah, yeah, old-fashioned way. Wait, there's moves there? Oh, that's new. That's very new. What's over here? Oh, alright. Holy cow, there's many pieces. Uh, this man is saying hi, YouTube. Oh! Oh, no, 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 no. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? This place is impossible to, to escape. Alright. Why every time I get my prisoner, why do I wait flat? Why? Boing, 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 boing. Punch my way out. Burst from the door. I don't know why I keep doing that because it's like, wait, okay. Oh my gosh. Lead to arrest. Let me guess. That's the word arrest. Arrest. Hold on, let me go. Nope, this is. Super Smash. Okay, there. So many cops, man. How do two people escape? But old fashioned again. Go. Day. I like how the background music is like a. Let's not go through there that time. This time, I mean. Oh, miniatures. Oh, look at that! It's an Easter egg. Ninja Turtles. Let's go. Boy, you're trash. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Whoever who's like in this video, who have been so. Oh no, nope, you're not getting me today, fool. Wait. Oh no. You get wrecked. Yeah, get wrecked. So, me. Okay, there we go. Nope. Because you can't escape. Let's go. How do I do team? Oh, there. There. Oh, I'm stuck. Right here. Okay, yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay, there. This is probably going to be impossible to go over there because I know you're going to arrest me. You like this song? It's Smash. Click the right button. I misspelled. Make sure to leave a like too for misspelling. Yay. Misspell word. Oh, stop drifting like that. It just keeps like going like that way. Yeah, like that. Wait, see? Okay, never mind. Music is intense back there. Can't hear that though. Yeah, you can't hear. Boy. No way about her. What do you mean? You! Oh! Get all the bones! Okay. I'm going to take that. No! Die. Yeah. No. Okay. Who cares? There we go. Now the switch. Oh, come on! Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh, well. This is like a Pokemon women. Okay. 15. Oh, my phone is about to die. What's that, guys? I'm gonna turn off the background music. Okay, one more, like that one. Okay. Oh, okay. Yay! Yay! Oh, no, 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 no. No. How do I go back? Help me. Pull the lever! Now! Yes! Yeah, boy, that's what I call Robin. Help now! Ah! You just go on. I'm gonna go now. Okay, to go to volcano to complete. Okay, so how do I go to volcano to complete? I think that was said volcano. Dumb. How do I go to volcano? I need to follow a person to the volcano. I think it's like I need to go in this person's car. No! Help me! Oh my! I'm gonna kill you one day. I'm gonna kill you. Wait, did that? Yep. Wait. Wait. You know,